everyone, welcome back to my channel Easy English Learning. In today's English class, we are going to do position and order of adjectives. We have done meaning and types of adjectives, we have done formation of adjectives, and how sometimes nouns are also they act as what? Adjectives. In today's class, we will do position and order of adjectives. From this way, you can know that how we position any adjective in a sentence. Adjectives can come in three positions in a sentence. When an adjective it comes before the noun, it qualifies, it is said to be in attributive position. Like a noisy classroom, a kind-hearted boss. Here, the adjective that is coming before the noun. You can see classroom is noun, noisy classroom. So it is what? It is coming before the noun. So that is, it is called attributive position of the adjective. A kind-hearted boss. Boss is noun, kind-hearted is adjective, and it is placed before the noun. That is why it is known as attributive position of the adjective. Then an adjective can sometimes come after a noun or a pronoun. This is called the post-positive position. Post-positive adjectives, they are found only in a few set phrases or expressions. Generally, we don't find it, but there are only few phrases they are found. Few expressions we use adjectives after the noun or a pronoun. Such adjectives are called post-positive position. That position of the adjective, it is known as post-positive position. For example, time available. What kind of time? The time that is available. Available here is adjective and it is post-positive position of the adjective. Accounts payable. What kind of accounts? Which are payable. Court martial. Words unspoken, etc. So this is what post-positive position of the adjective, because it is placed, it comes after the noun or a pronoun. Then when an adjective comes after a linking verb such as be, get, seem, appear, feel, sound, smell, etc., it is said to be in predicative position. The adjective is the complement of the linking verb. You can learn these verbs like linking verb: be, get, seem, appear, feel, sound, smell, etc. When an adjective comes after these linking verbs, it is said to be in predicative position. Like the dinosaur is big. Is what? It is a form of be. So it is coming after the linking verb, that is. So the dinosaur is big. Big is what? Adjective in predicative position. I'm feeling fine. How I'm feeling? What kind of feeling I'm having? Fine. So fine is here adjective in predicative position. The movie was a pirated version. Was, it is used after linking verb was. So it is what? In predicative position. Kiran seemed rather upset. So here it what? It is used in predicative position after seem. So upset is adjective in predicative position. Then there are few things that you have to keep in mind. Like most adjectives can occur freely in both the attributive and predicative positions. Like I have wealthy cousins, used attributively. My cousins are wealthy, used predicatively. So such kind of adjectives, they can occur freely in both the positions. Both the sentences are correct. I have wealthy cousins, it is used in attributive form, and my cousins are wealthy, it is used in predicative forms. So these both sentences are correct. Then certain adjectives, they are used for emphasis, can be used only in the attributive position. That adjectives that we used for emphasis, to emphasize on something, they can only be used in attributive position. Means they can only be placed before the noun. For example, it was a mere accident, not the accident was mere. That sentence would be wrong, that the accident was mere. The correct sentence is it was a mere accident. Then, nouns used as adjectives are in the attributive position, means they always come before the noun. You must follow school rules. What kind of rules you have to follow? The rules of the school. Then, adjectives that state type or class are usually attributive. That any adjective which state any kind of type or class of something, they are usually placed before the noun. They are in attributive position. Like I bought a digital camera. Ben is my elder brother. Then some adjectives especially begin with a, like asleep, alert, afraid, alone, awake, alive, unwell, glad, upset, etc. can only be used in the predicative position, means after a linking verb. Such adjectives they can only be placed after a linking verb. Like she was alone in the evening. I saw an alone woman. That would be completely different sentence. Their meaning would be different. So with such adjectives, such words, they can only be used in predicative position. In most expressions of measurements, adjectives come after the measurement noun. Like 4 miles long, 10 feet deep, 9 years older, like this. In most expressions of measurement, adjective they always come after the measurement noun. Like miles, it's a measurement noun. So adjective long, it's coming after the 4 miles. 4 miles long. How long? 4 miles long. It's coming after the measurement noun. 10 feet deep. Feet is measurement noun. Deep is, that is an adjective. It is coming after the measurement noun. 9 years older. Older is coming after the measurement noun. That is years. 9 years older, adjective. Then order of adjective in a sentence. There is a way that we use to place adjectives in a right manner in a sentence. Like sometimes we may want to use more than one adjective to describe something. When we use more than one adjective, we need to put the adjective in the right order. But when we are using more than one adjective, it is very important that the order of the words should be correct. So what is that right order? Before the noun, when we are using adjectives, the systematic arrangement of adjectives is called the order of adjectives. So you can see this table. You have to learn this table. These 7 points, first determiners, intensifier, and then 7 points. These are the types of intensifiers. Then purpose noun. So you have to learn this and you have to follow this while placing adjectives in a sentence. Like first, that order that is to be followed, determiners. Articles are part of determiners, and determiners a and the, my, some, this, much, these all are determiners. Okay, so these we will use first while we are putting the adjectives. Then intensifier when we are using very, so, extremely, highly, these all are what? These are intensifiers. And then intensifiers, first we will use quality or opinion. First, if we are using any kind of adjective that we are using, the quality or opinion will come first on the first number, like good, bad, nice, ugly, like that. Then size will come, big, small, tall, long, etc. It's the sequence that we will follow while placing adjectives in a sentence. Then age, older, younger, elder, etc. Then shape, round, flat, circular, pointed, etc. Then color, like red, green, yellow, brown, blue, etc. Then nationality or origin, Chinese, Indian, French, like this. Then material, glass, metal, leather, steel, etc. Then after that, purpose, that what is the purpose, what kind of purpose with which we are using these adjectives: cleaning, cooking, writing, painting, etc. Then our noun. You can see the examples: a clear blue sky. Clear is what quality? That has come before blue. Blue is what color? Then sky, that is noun. Then a very beautiful young French woman. This is the proper sequence that we will write. That sometimes we get confused that what will come first. A very beautiful French young woman? No, that would be wrong. The proper sequence is: very is what? Intensifier. Then beautiful is quality. Then young is age. Then French nationality. And then women, that is noun. Then a large, round, green paper bag. Large is size, round is shape, green color, then paper is material, then bag is noun. That is the sequence that we follow when we are adding adjectives in a sentence. The order of adjectives in a sentence. Then a long, narrow plastic painting brush. Long is size, narrow is shape, plastic material, painting is purpose, then brush is noun. This is the right order in which we will place adjectives in a sentence before the noun. Then there are certain points you have to keep in mind. When you use a string of adjectives of different kinds, you don't need to put commas between them. When we use a string of adjectives of different kinds, you can see that a clear blue sky, we have not used comma. We will not put commas in between. A beautiful white marble statue. Beautiful white marble, these are all our adjectives we have used for the noun statue. We will not put commas in between. When we use two adjectives from the same group class, you place and between the two adjectives. Same group class means when we are the library has old and new books. We are talking about books. So we will put a comma, we will put an and between these two adjectives which are talking about the same group. Same group is what? Books. We are talking about the same group, same class, that is of books, that old and new books. So we will put an and between these two adjectives. When you use three or more adjectives from the same adjective group class, you put and between the last two and commas between the others. You can see in the example, look at the red, green and yellow building to your left. That when we are using three or more adjectives from the same adjective group class, you will put and between the last two and commas between the others. A comma is not placed between the adjective and the noun. I gifted her a blue jacket. Not blue comma jacket, because we are talking about the jacket. What kind of jacket he gifted? Blue jacket. So blue is adjective, jacket is noun. So we will not place any comma between the adjective and the noun. So this was all about this, that how we position adjectives in a sentence and what is the right order that we put in a sentence to place adjectives. Like what is the right order before the noun that is used, order of adjectives in a sentence. This was all about today's class. You can go through the video, and if you find any difficulty, you can ask, you can write in the comment section. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.